What is up, you
Hey
guys?
y'all.
It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we're gonna start with a little bit of pine. Alright. Now, y'all, don't ever just take your pick and apply it directly to your piece, right? So we're gonna wanna fluff it out. Fluff it out just like you would your Christmas tree. All right, now this branch is a little heavy, right? So I'm gonna find a place on my grapevine that has a cross area. And in that cross area is where I'm gonna wedge this stem underneath. Now, with the stem being this heavy, I'm gonna find another spot somewhere up here that we can zip tie this on to the wreath. So I'm gonna grab a small zip tie and just find a spot somewhere at the top and zip tie it in. All right. Let's fluff this one out. Y'all, glitter's flying everywhere. All right. Now, I personally like to decorate or use stems in a pattern of 3. So I'm gonna make mine fill in this way, and then 1 come down. All right. So see how we started filling that in? I want to make sure I carry that same look down here. Now we've made this huge wreath out of that small grapevine. Y'all, and I'm gonna leave this cluster of pine cones because we're gonna put a bow right in there. And those pine cones are going to be the support system that help hold it in place. You can buy these supplies at DecoExchange.com. All right, y'all, let's take this berry spray and fluff it out. Now, this berry spray is a little sad on its own, but if I can weave it right into these pieces, all right, then I can take some of this and bring it to the front. And now it just looks like those berries were made on that piece. Y'all, in some places, I can actually just use the pine that's there and twist it. Looking for a good place in here for a zip tie. Here we'll get ourselves a little twist. All right, and I want to get one down here at the bottom. Y'all, this is really pretty just like this. All right, I'm gonna zip tie that one right there. Y'all, from here, let's go ahead and make our bow. I'm going black and white with pops of red. All right. So let's do about a 9-inch tail to start with. Give it a nice little pinch. About a 7-inch loop. Another 7-inch loop. Y'all, I feel like we should do one more. Let's do one more loop. Let's do 3 loops instead of just 2. I wasn't ready for the next loop. On this one, I'm going to leave the tail a little bit longer. Y'all, the next ribbon, we're going to do it the opposite way, so that our 2 are over here and our 1 is over here. Y'all, on this one, I'm just going to add the regular 2. Because why not? The black ribbon is velvet, yep. All right, y'all, let's get this last one in here. The black ribbon is 4 inches. I'm going with my trusty pipe cleaners. Gonna take 2, twist them together real quick. All right, y'all, if you twist 2 together, make sure you give them a nice tug to make sure they don't come apart. All right. Pull this nice and tight and give it a twist. All right, so right here in the center is where I wanted my bow to be. Pull my pipe cleaner right through here. Make sure my bow is somewhat right where I want it. I want to get a little bit of ribbon tails here and a little bit of ribbon tails over here. All right, let's cut this about, I don't know, let's go 30 inches. All right, I'm gonna take a section of it, give it a little pinch, twist it, and fold it over. And on this one, y'all, on this one, I'm just gonna pinch it and fold it over. All right, so I've got this little cluster in my hand. I'm gonna find a shish kebab skewer, put it right in there, y'all, and then I'm just gonna zip tie this onto my shish kebab skewer and make a little fake pick. So I'm gonna put this one out here. Y'all, just to bring a little bit of our ribbon color out that way, we're gonna do the same thing up here at the top. All right, so just get a good pinch on the end. I'm gonna try to find the other half of the skewer that we just had. Gonna zip tie it on here. All right. Y'all, I'm gonna trim up my ribbons. So I'm just doing a little dovetail on all my ribbon tails. So I want to get these snowflakes all the way around. So I'm just gonna double stick. All right, where I did cut him though, I am gonna give him a little Botox. That glue will keep the cut from spreading. Come on. Y'all, I also added just a little bit of glue behind him, just so we make sure he stays right where I want him to. Now that I know where he's at, now I know where to add some more snowflakes. So I just wanted to get a little bit of texture in here, y'all. All right, I'm gonna get one of these coming out from right under the bow. That way it kind of drips over the design a little bit. And I'm gonna add this glued ornament right down in the center of this bow. Y'all, I'm done. Good night, y'all.